Hi, welcome to this video tutorial. We're going to show you how to hide and show your hidden files on your computer using Windows 11. We did a video a long time ago using Windows 7 and Windows 10, so we thought we'd give you an update on the Windows 11. So just open up your File Explorer, and then just to show something, we'd go into your C drive. You can see these ones are lighter, so I'm already showing my hidden folders. What you can do is if you go into the three dots and go into options, you get the folder options coming up. Go to view, and right here, like we had in Windows 7, we've got hidden files and folders. You can hide them and go like that and click apply, click OK, and you can see it's all the proper yellow, not the faded yellow. But if I wanted to show that again, I'd basically go back and hit options and go to view, show hidden files and folders, apply, OK, and you can see the lighter ones here. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.